Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos, and today we're going to be doing the March Allure Beauty Box. Allure Beauty Box is $23, I believe, a month. You get around 6 products in here. 2 to 3 of them are guaranteed, is what they say, to be full-size products. The rest of them are deluxe size samples, whatever you want to call it. And I always have, is like with this box, no matter what, I have a love-hate relationship with it, because it's either you really love the box you got that month, or you really just very disappointed in it. So this is what she looks like. You get some cards. They do have like Ipsy and stuff. They have if you're subscribed to them, you can buy like cheaper products like with a discount certain times of the month. I think that's what this card for. This one is going to tell us about our beauty products. We're going to set it to the side. It does tell. I do like that they tell the price of the products. I really like it. Okay. First thing is a mystery item. Let's look at it first. Sometimes I think about canceling this box, and other times I'm like, oh no, I got such a good box this month. And other times I'm like, you know what, I hate this box. I don't want to get it no more, but that's how it always goes. This is by Millie. It is a rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil infused with biotin, encourage growth. I was taking extra biotin for my nails because my nails break all the time, and for my hair, I ain't took them in a couple weeks. I gotta get back to it, but I was taking extra biotin. But this is for daily use, scalp treatment, and split ends now. Mine is like, I even tried to straighten it, and it's crawled right back out. We are getting 2 flow ounces, which is 59 milliliters. Now, I've been doing a serum on my hair every day and doing like a leave-in treatment. I was like against like doing anything like it, like used to. I don't know, stuff made my hair really greasy. But now it's like, now since I'm paying attention, that's getting on my nerves. But now I'm like trying to keep my hair healthy, especially since I've been bleaching it and stuff like that. Okay, so ooh. You can really smell the rosemary and the mint. Very strong. It feels really good. I don't know if your hair's supposed to be wet, but I got like a lot. Let's just go ahead and put some in. It is also for your scalp, but I'll do that later. I'll just put like a little bit. That's in my hands already here. And really, with hair stuff, I want to say, like, especially for someone with, like me, that's got, like, very thin hair, a little bit goes a long way, because that is what causes your hair to be, like, greasy and stuff after the fact. Oh, my hair looks like crap now. Okay, moving on. So, I'm excited about, oh, I dropped it. I'm excited. Now my hair looks funky, but that's okay. I'll come back out in a minute. Okay, Believe. And this is the Aqua Bomb Overnight Lip Mask. It's a soothing lip mask for the night. Yes. A soothing lip mask to soften and moisturize your lips. And it says, yes, it's got the little bar. We are getting 3 grams, which is 0.1 flow ounce. Now, I don't know if I have tried their lip mask before. Probably have. Here she is. And as always, when we get these, you can guarantee, like, you're not really getting that much product. And I don't really find this to be a deluxe size sample. And it ain't even full. So it's just a balm. Like, we'll put that right here. Really, with the mint and rosemary, I really can't, like, smell anything else. I had a white land right here. Let me just get everything out. I don't know, these are about dried up. I got another pack. I don't even know what I've done with. Okay. This box looks like a lot of skincare, really. Mud Masky. This is their vitamin infused eye serum. It's the moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, firming. It is to reduce dark circles. And right now, let me tell you something. I'm trying my best to get my eyes. Stress is going to give you puffiness, black, and everything. We are getting 30 milliliters, which is 1 flow ounce. It is pH balanced, fragrance free. Now, I'm into anything fragrance free to go on my face. I don't like anything that's highly perfumed or going to linger for a while, because it's like your nose is right here and I don't need that in my life. And right here she is. It does feel good. I've used a lot of stuff by them. It really ain't got no smell. Okay. Coats. This is for your face. It's a flawless complexion tinted SPF. It's broad spectrum SPF 60. It's a vanishing zinc oxide mineral sunscreen. It is 0.35 flow ounces, which is 10 grams. Now, I recommend not only in the springtime or summertime, not just when you think the sun is like out in full force. I think in the wintertime, and I'm really bad about doing this, like today I did not do it. You should always have when you are doing your daily skin routine, always put some sunscreen on, and you're going to thank yourself when you're older. Okay. This is tinted. It did say tinted though, but it also said vanishing zinc oxide, so it ain't really just gonna give you a little healthy glow going on if you didn't want makeup. So I like that. Cetaphil. I got like makeup under my nails. This is #1 doctor recommended, but it's deep hydration, skin restoring water gel, hydrosensitive complex, HA, and polyglucamic acid, skin sensitivity 5 signs. It's also 0.36 flow ounces, which is 10 grams. Okay, this one don't have the safety seal. Right here it is. And really, I think Cetaphil works good. This feels amazing. It's got a good texture. It's got a little bit of smell, nothing overbearing. So I do like, my hands are like super, super dry. I am the kind of person who will wash my hands 500 times a day, if not more. Every time I touch something, I have 2 indoor cats. Every time I touch them, I wash my hands. Then, like, even before I do anything, I like do something, I wash my hands. So I'm like overdried on hands. Okay, then this is a hand cream, exactly what I need. This is Milk and Honey. This is Nature's original Diona's goat milk skincare since 1982. Balance moisture. It's hand and body goat milk cream moisturizing treatment for dry, thirsty hands and body. We're getting 1 flow ounce, which is 28 grams. I do like this one did not have a safety seal. I always like better when they have safety seal, just for knowing nothing didn't get in it. I have not heard back. Anybody that watched my MC video, I have not heard back from them yet. I wrote them this morning, but I have not heard back about my setting spray having something floating around, a big chunk of something floating around in it. I ain't heard back from them. Just make a hole. Okay. So here it is. It smells alright. It feels good. Hopefully it works, because listen, the Jeffree Star hand cream I got in my Mystery Valentine's box, that one is really good. It makes my hands feel really good, and seems like it lasts us longer, so I do like that. And that we got one item left, and this is Tarte's Man Eater. I don't even have to look at it. I already know what it is. This is a volume mascara. It's supposed to last 16-hour long wear with no clumping or flaking. Instantly lifts and volumes and curls. Custom 500 plus bristles. Brush, comb, and separate lashes. It's got vitamin E and jojoba oil. It is tested and safe for contact lens and wearers. So it's supposed to make you look like you have some nice looking lashes. I didn't use no mascara today, so we're gonna test this baby out real fast on my lower lash line. Ooh, made a comb. I do like the comb, or the brush, what do you call it? It's got the little spikies here at the end, and this is what it looks like. So my bags are horrible. Truthfully, which I'm not looking in the mirror, I'm looking in the screen. I think right in here it didn't separate too good, but it works. I think Tarte's got some really amazing mascaras. They got some amazing makeup that I do like. I don't know, I'll use that. I love it. But there is, I forget, the mascara I'm using is amazing, especially for my bottom lash lines. That's like my main concern, because I normally wear lashes. I don't care if I'm going just to the store. If I'm going to put makeup on, I'm going to I'm going to take time and put lashes on. That's just me, but I think lashes look so much better than my lashes. My lashes are thin, and they're not as long as I would like them. And once you wear lashes, I don't know, I think it's a mindset thing that you see how beautiful lashes, fake lashes are, and so when you don't wear them, you're like, no, mascara, just don't do it for me no more. But that is everything we got in our box. Not my favorite box, not the worst box. I like the mascara. I'm excited about the hand cream, but like, you don't know, I don't know, because you are guaranteed 2 to 3 full-size products. I can't tell you what this being one of the full-size products. Anything else in this box, truthfully, I don't see being a full-size product. Okay, but we will know. This is, let me see, what's the first product? Okay, the Man Eater Mascara is retailed for $25 for 3 ounces, which that is a full-size mascara right here. This, the Belief Overnight Lip Mask, it is 0.7 is a full ounce of it, and I know this is just 0.1, and it is retailed for a full size is $22. Okay, this might actually be full size, but where did it go? I think that's when I dropped the Muddy Masky. is retailed for $63 for 30 milliliters. I think that's the product I dropped. No, I dropped the hair stuff. I don't, so, yeah, I dropped it too. I like drop everything. Which is 30, okay, so here's your second full-size product. So that is $63. Okay, then I did forget about the hair stuff. That is what I dropped. It is 2 ounces. Let me pick it up. I do not know why I have to drop everything. I'm so clumsy. 2 ounces. This is actually full size. This is $9.99. So that is your. Here is the 3 full size products. Okay, so we did get 3 full size products. Okay, the hand cream, but the nose, it is $12 for a 3.3 flow ounce. We only got 1 ounce. And then the coats, I gotta get the lid back on it. Full size is 2.5 flow ounces. Now we only got, or 2.6. No, it's 2.5. It's $27.60, and we only got 0.35 flow ounce. And then the Cedarfield 1.7 flow ounce is $27.99. I wouldn't have thought that, because I know you get this at Walmart, Target, anywhere. Probably Dollar General, really. And that is it. So, I mean, it's not my favorite box. I like the mascara. That covers the box, and everything else was, like, free. I am excited about the hair oil, and I can tell it's oil because my hair looks a little oily now, or shiny. But I'm excited about that because I'm looking for anything that helps strengthen my hair. I'm watching, like, heat. I try to keep the heat away. I've used heat a lot more this week than what I normally do. Normally, I try not to use heat at all. And, like, about the only time, like, I really use heat is, like, if I'm going to sit down and film. Even if I'm going somewhere, I normally don't. I just go ahead and let it do what it's going to do. And my hair is natural curly, but I've kept it straight for so long and tried to keep it straight. And when I was younger, I used straightener kits and everything. And it pretty much, as long as I don't go, like, to bed with my hair wet or not, like, as long as I keep it combed and stuff like that while it's wet, it'll pretty much go straight and stuff, semi-straight enough where it don't take much to straighten it out with a straightener. But I guess that is it. If anybody would like to try Allure Beauty Box for themselves, I will leave the link down below in the description box and all the information, price, and everything. And I guess that is it. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.